So let us talk about how to create a community in Microsoft Teams. Now, when you open your Microsoft Teams app on your computer, you're going to see all these icons on the left side. And then you're going to come down to the third icon, which says community. And then you're going to click on community. And then when you come here, I already created a community earlier before, but we can simply delete this community if we want to and create a fresh one. Now that this community has been deleted, this is what you're going to see if you do not currently have any community that you have created by yourself. So you can either choose to create with templates. You have the school template, business template, or life template. Or you can simply tap create your own without a template. So let's tap on create your own without a template. Now when you come here, you're still going to meet the templates, but now they're going to give you more templates, not just school business. You're going to see sports, you're going to see professional, life events, arts and culture, gaming, youth organization, neighborhood, parents, and volunteering. So you have the option to use any of these templates, or you can simply still say, create my own community. So if you tap on create my own, you're going to meet this interface. You're going to need to name your community what you want to. So let's just name it. You can give it any random name and then you can choose to use a picture. Here, if you come to your left side, you're going to hover your cursor above this plus icon, and then you have the option to upload community avatar. If you don't want to, you can also leave it blank, and then you're going to come down to description, which is also optional. And then you could write a short description about the community that you're trying to create. So let's just write a quick description for our community. And that's that for that. Now you can add some community guidelines. You already have some here, but you are allowed to edit these guidelines to what you would like. You also have require approval to join. If you click on this, that means before anyone joins your community, they would have to pass through you first. And then you come down here, you see public. It says turning this on will make this community appear in search, which means anybody can simply search for your community on Google Teams and it will come up. But if you don't like that, you can simply leave it blank. So right now, it's not turned on, but if you click on this, it becomes public so anybody can see your community. But if you don't want that, just leave it turned off. And now you can simply come down here and tap on creates. And now your community has been created. So when you create your community, you have multiple options. You can start a new post, you can make an announcement, you can scroll down, you can invite people, you can create a welcome message, you can also create a new event from this community as well. The options are practically limitless. If you also want to change your icon, the picture you want to use for this community, you can simply come here and click on this, and you're going to be given the opportunity to edit your community's banner. Now, Teams is going to give you a couple of options, but if you do not like them, you can always upload an image that fits your vibe. So this is simply how you can create your community, and you can do as many things as you please. You can upload files if you want to. You can also upload photos as well.